Imagine this, you buy a piece of land, saved for years. It's your safety net, your legacy. Then one day you visit and someone else is living there. Construction started, your name gone from the gate. What happened? Land mafia happened. In India, this isn't rare, it's routine. Land grabbing by organized goons and fake agents is a silent epidemic. And if you think you're immune because you have papers, you need to watch this video till the end. Because they are not just grabbing land, they are grabbing silence. Today, I'll show you how to protect your land legally and practically, step by step. You will hear real cases, learn actionable tools, and walk away feeling empowered, not helpless. Let's decode how they work. They forge documents, bribe local officials, occupy land using muscle, and they say, go to court if you want. They prey on delay, fear, and ignorance. Your property is like a fort. But what happens if the gatekeeper's already on the payroll? So, before you talk defense, let's talk strategy. Here's a step-by-step guide. First, mutation in revenue records. Make sure your name appears in the land revenue records. Patta, Katyan, Kata, depending on your state. That's your first shield. 2. Encumbrance certificate or EC. Get the EC from the sub-registrar. It shows the legal history of ownership. Red flags here means trouble. 3. Physical boundary plus survey. Have your land surveyed by a government authorized officer. Get a demarcation map. If there ever a dispute, then this becomes gold. 4. Display your ownership. Install a board with your name, survey number and a warning. This property is under legal surveillance. Yes, perception matters. 5. Document everything regularly. Photograph your land every few months. Geotag it. Courts accept this as corroborative evidence. In the case Krishna Ram Mahale vs. Shobha Venkat Rao, 1989, 4 SEC 131, no one has a right to dispossess another without following due process of law, even if the occupant isn't the legal owner. This means even illegal possession has legal protection, unless removed by court order. So imagine the rights you have when you are the legal owner. Here are some steps you can take in case your property is encroached. First, criminal complaint. If someone forcibly enters or occupies your land, file a complaint under section 441 IPC. Criminal trespass. Section 420 IPC, cheating and fraud. Section 468 and 471 IPC, forgery and using forged documents. If police won't file FIR, no problem. File a petition under section 156 subclause 3 CRPC before the magistrate to direct police action. 2. Civil suit, permanent injunction. File a suit under Order 39 Rule 1 and 2 CPC to stop them from entering or altering your land. Courts are increasingly proactive in land matters. In the case of State of UP versus Manohar 2005 to SEC 126, the court said encroachments cannot be legitimized. The state must act to remove them, not protect them. That means you can demand state help to remove illegal occupiers. You're not asking for a favor, you're asking for enforcement of law. 3. Police protection application. If there's a physical threat, apply under section 151 CRPC for preventive action. Police are duty bound to act when supported by legal documents and a pending civil suit. Let me tell you about Rekha, a widow from Pune. She inherited a plot from her father. One day, someone started constructing on it, claiming a 20-year-old sale deed. She never sold it. They forged her father's signature. We got the EC, RTI replies and revenue records. Filed a cancellation suit and injunction. It took 4 years, but she won. But during those 4 years, she had sleepless nights, threats, even a minor stroke. This isn't about land, it's about mental peace, legacy, self worth. In the case Krishna Devi versus Union of India 2019, 17 SEC 220, the court said the right to property is a constitutional and human right. No one, not even the state, can deprive you of it without due process. You see, the land mafia doesn't just steal land, they steal certainty. But here's your advantage. The law is slow, yes, but it's deliberate. And when you walk with it, you walk tall. Don't let your land lie unguarded because silence looks a lot like surrender. You don't need to be a lawyer, you just need to be alert. Your documents are your sword, your awareness is your shield. If you found even one step today that you didn't know before, share this video. You might just save someone else's land and their life savings. Comment below if you or someone you know has dealt with land encroachments. Let's use the space to educate and empower. Subscribe for more clear, actionable legal guidance. Because when you know the law protects you. Take care. Bye.